Hi friends, welcome back to Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. These days we are always in the run for healthy food options, and here is a healthy and delicious options of salads for you all. Salad is a natural source of fiber, helps in weight control. It also helps to build strong bones and improve your muscles. The best part is that salads can be personalized according to your taste and choice. First, we are going to make a protein salad. Here I am adding sprouts to add the protein factor, and I have prepared these sprouts at home. I have included black chana, moong dal and horsegram. I am using them raw. If you want, then we can boil them and add as well. Into a large mixing bowl, add about half cup of sprouts. To this, add chopped onion, chopped carrot. You can even grate and add the carrots to this. Chopped capsicum, some cucumber, raw mango, boiled sweet corn, chopped tomatoes. I have removed the seeds. Finely chopped green chilies. You can replace green chilies by adding some freshly crushed pepper. And for the crunch, I'm adding roasted peanuts. You can add almonds and walnuts or any other nuts of your choice here. Some salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt. Fresh lime juice. And about a tablespoon of honey. And finally some chopped mint leaves. Mix them and serve immediately. Once we add the dressing to the salad, they can turn a little soggy, so consume them immediately for the freshness and the crunch. It is as delicious as it looks. You can include this in any meal of your day. Even you can have this a breakfast as it is, or even a mid snack. I hope you all enjoyed this power-packed protein salad. Do try and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Moving on, the next salad we are going to make is a fruit salad. There are times when you have a lot of leftover fruits in the fridge. So here is an option to make a fruit salad. Here I am using freshly chopped pineapples, apple, kiwi, pomegranate, a tiny pinch of pink Himalayan salt, a teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of chaat masala, a teaspoon of honey, and finally some freshly chopped mint leaves. Mix them all together and serve immediately. Hope you all enjoyed these salad recipes. Do try them and let me know your feedback in the comment section below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then kindly subscribe for more such easy recipes. So till we meet next with another exciting video, stay healthy and be happy.